Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hotel Claridge Paris. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Hotel Claridge Paris. Hotel Claridge is located in Paris 8th district, just 350 yards from the famous Champs-Élysées. It provides 4-star accommodation and free Wi-Fi. Hotel Claridge rooms are decorated with period furniture, traditional woodwork, and bedspreads and fabric wall covering that match the curtains. Each air-conditioned room is equipped with a flat-screen TV and private bathroom. Some rooms have a balcony. Claridge Paris has implemented a number of measures to reduce its impact on the environment, including use of low-energy light bulbs, bathroom amenities in recyclable packaging, and water flow reducers. The hotel serves a buffet breakfast in the breakfast room, and a continental breakfast can be delivered to your room at an extra cost. Claridge's bar serves a variety of drinks and snack room service is also available. Guests have access to many restaurants near the hotel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.